Hello, everyone! Today I have some LOL surprises. So here there's a little doll. It looks so cute. And a zipper, a little question mark. And here's the 50 surprises. Here's the clothes, here's the glasses, here's the shoes, the water bottle, the coats. Here's the glass and now let's start opening it. So we have to open it from here. Ooh, that was hard work. Now, whoa! You heard that sound, guys? It was funny. Whoa! We opened it. Ooh, look! Ooh, this is so cool. Look at this, guys. It's a magnifying glass. We can see a lot of things with it. Okay, so now. Oh, there. I got it. Something like this. Okay, I guess I'll open it like this. Ooh, wait, what the? Ooh, here's the mystery. Let's see what it says. Let's see what it says. Oh, it's the arrow and the mountain. What do you think it's going to be? Oh, let's flip it around and maybe we'll find the answer. It is on top of a mountain. I got it. Now we'll put it down and we'll keep opening it. Oh, take it out. Okay, I'll move here. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, here's our codes. Let's see what it says. Maybe that's our code for these. Which one should I do first? I'll do the crown and the diamond. So let's see if it works. I did clover and cat. Let's see if it works. Did it work? Oh no. Pirates? No. Does this work? No. It's candy and lime. Yay! We did it! Here's our first surprise. Let's see what's inside. Here's our bottle! Oh, it can squeeze. It's a blue bottle with a red cap. Cute. I'll put it here. So now let's move on to our next one. That was crown and diamond. No. And sun. Yay! Let's see. Ooh, what's in here now? Ooh! I found some cute glittery shoes. Ooh, do you guys like it? So nice. Okay, so a different one. Let's do this one now. Now, crown and diamond. Yay! On our first try, we got that one. What's in this one? Maybe clothes. I was right, the clothes. Oh, look at this shirt. Do you guys like it? Cute. So now, a crown and a diamond. There. No, it doesn't work. Okay, let's try the fire and snow. Fire and snow. No. Circle and heart. Heart. I wonder who she is. But first, let's see what's inside here. Ooh. Ooh, we got her hairband. Now it's time to open her up. I have a happy feeling about this. I wonder what it is. Wow! Look who we got! Oh, so cute. I'll take off her little hands. Now time for her shoes. There. Oof. Her head popped up. Ooh, look at her. Wow, look at her new doll. Look at her socks. It looks like some bowling. And her shirt is so cute. I wonder who she is. Let's find her on the collector's guide. Oh, look who we found. It's Kansas. She can either color change or cry. I'll put on her clothes. So put on her skirt. There's a lot of bows on it. I really like them. I will put on the top now. I'll put one there. Ooh, what a pretty girl she is. So now I'll put on her shoes. The little shoe. I'll put this one on. Ooh. These shoes are very special because they have glitter all over them. And these bows, wow. I really love them. I wish I could have them too. And here's her bottle. You want to take a sip? Okay. She likes her bottle. So here she is, a pretty girl. Oh, we forgot to put on her tiara. So I'll put it on. Ooh, what a pretty girl she is. Do you like her? She looks like she has a Red Riding Hood tiara because the color looks like it. Let's see. Can she do something? So I'll keep feeding her. Let's see what she does now. Oh, she cries. Don't cry, please. You're here with your friends now. Don't cry. Let's see that one more time. Oh, look at that. She's crying. Ooh, she's so cute. She's crying. Oh, don't cry. She's never going to stop crying. Oh, don't cry. Wipe your tears away. So now you have to play. Don't cry anymore because your friends are here and now you're going to play with them. Oh, there. So we got her in. We'll close it up. Wherever I go, now I can take her with me. So that's all for the video. If you like the video, please subscribe. Bye!